how are you doing? My name is Marcello. I'm an English teacher at CEL. Today we're going to study a lesson for Module 4. We're going to study infinitive for reasons. Pay attention to that title, infinitive for reasons. First, I have this question for you. Think about it. Why do people study English? Well, people study English to make more money, to travel around the world, to make new friends, to be bilingual, to read books in English, to sing songs in English, to watch movies, to access the internet. Pay attention that we are using verbs in the base form: to make, to travel, to be, to read, to sing, to watch, to give reasons. You're giving reasons why you are studying English. For example, why you are here. You are here to improve your English, to learn English. Why do people travel? Think about it. Why do people travel? Well, people travel to relax, to study, to go shopping, to see their families, to spend time with friends, to seek for work, to learn other cultures. You see, you're giving the reason. Why do people do Pilates? To stay healthy. Repeat after me. Healthy. To stay healthy. To build toned muscles. To build toned muscles. To improve posture. To have more energy. To lose weight. Let's repeat. To lose weight. To change their bodies. Okay, infinitive. What is an infinitive? Use an infinitive verb to say why someone does something. You're giving the reason why someone does something. For example, I took a shower to relax. You know, here in Rio Branco it's really hot. So you took a shower to relax. She worked. Pay attention to the pronunciation. She worked. She worked to make more money. She worked to make money. What is an infinitive? Well, it's a preposition to and the base form. The base form is when you find a verb on a dictionary. In a dictionary, when you look up a verb in a dictionary, it's in the base form. What is the base form? Well, but let me show some examples. To eat, to make, to dance. All of these verbs, they are in the base form. So the base form is when the verb is not conjugated, when it's not in any tense. As I told you, it's when you find the verb in the dictionary. More examples. You go to the library. Why you go to the library? To read. To read. So that's the infinitive. Next. So now pay attention. Try to find the infinitive verb. I will read the sentence for you. Pedro goes running to be healthy. Pedro goes running to be healthy. Where is the infinitive verb in that sentence? Think about it. Okay? It is the to be, right? Pay attention to the preposition and the verb in the base form. Another example, let's analyze together. I'm baking a cake to celebrate my son's birthday. I am baking a cake to celebrate my son's birthday. Where is the infinitive in that sentence? Think about it. Well, to celebrate, the preposition to and the verb in the base form. Now it's a different topic. It's, you know, that's the contraction. It plus is, it's plus adjective plus the preposition to. For example, it's important to study English. It's good to have money. It's easy to cook rice. It's necessary to make reservations. For example, when you go to a hotel, you need to make a reservation. It's really important. So pay attention to that structure again. Okay, in blue, These words in blue, they are adjectives. They are between it is, its, plus adjective, plus to. Okay? It's important to study English. It's good to have more money, to have money. It's easy to cook rice. It's necessary to make reservations. Now an exercise for you to practice. It's really important to practice your English. Let's read the sentence together. Complete the sentence with an appropriate adjective. We have 3 adjectives: fun, easy, and hard. Let's analyze the 3 options, the 3 sentences. Letter A, it's to find a cheap hotel. A cheap flight. Letter B, it's to play video games. And letter C, it's not, pay attention, it's not to play musical instruments. Let's correct. Letter A, it's hard to find a cheap flight. It's really hard, it takes some time. Letter B, it's fun to play video games. I love to play video games, it's really fun. Letter C, it's not easy. It's not easy to play musical instruments. Or it's hard, it's difficult to play musical instruments. So again, we are using 3 adjectives between it's and the preposition to. Okay? Now, it's a quiz for you. It's a quiz time. It's a really important moment. Test your understanding of the English lesson by answering these questions. Let's analyze each question. Number 1. John went to sell. You know the verb go. It's an irregular verb. It's in simple past. John went to sell. Letter A, learning English. Letter B, to learn English. Letter C, learn English. Letter D, in order English. Well, you need to use an infinitive for reason in that quiz, right? To answer this question. So, John went to sell. Why? Letter B, to learn English. Pay attention to the preposition to and the verb learn in the base form. Okay, John went to sell to learn English. Next. Oh, it's important to take a notebook and write down your answers. Number 2. Samantha quit junky food. Teacher, what is junky food? Junky food is the kind of food that's not good for you. For example, fast food, hamburgers, etc. Okay, it's an unhealthy, not healthy, unhealthy food. Okay, so Samantha quit junky food. Letter A, to be healthy. Letter B, being healthy. Letter C, to be. Or letter D, to be health. A, B, C, or D? Well, it's Samantha quit junky food. Why? Preposition to. So, to be healthy or health. Letter A or letter D? Well, we need an adjective. Remember the structure, okay? So it's a letter A, to be healthy, ending in Y. Health, it's a noun, okay? In letter D, the word health, it's a noun, okay? To be healthy. Next, choose the correct sentence. A, B, C, and D. Letter A, it's easy to ride a bike. Letter B, it's easy to ride a bike. Letter C, it's too easy to ride a bike. Or letter D, it's easy to ride a bike. Remember this structure, we studied it. You need to use it is, it's, plus adjective, plus to. So the correct answer is letter D, of course. It's easy to ride a bike, okay? In letter A, it's missing the S, okay? The verb is. Next. Now, number 4. It's to watch TV series. Letter A, nice. Letter B, niece. Letter C, nice to. Letter D, nicing. A, B, C, or D? Well, it is nice to watch TV series. It's an adjective. Letter A. Letter B, it's a noun. It's a different word. Nice to, it's not what we need here. We already have the preposition to in the sentence, and nice is not a verb. Nice, it's a adjective. You only conjugate verbs, not adjectives. Okay? It's nice to watch TV series to improve your English, etc. Next. Number 5. Choose the correct sentence. Letter A. It's not difficult to make new friends. Letter B. It not difficult make new friends. Letter C. It not difficult to make new friends. Letter D. It's not difficult to make new friends. A, B, C, or D? Well, the correct answer is letter A. It's not difficult to make new friends. Okay, it's plus adjective and the preposition to. Number 6. I'm going to travel. I'm going to travel. Why? To visit. For visit. Visiting. To visiting. Letter A. To visit. Okay? Next. Unscramble. Unscramble. So put in the correct order. Unscramble and find the correct order. In class, it's... Pay attention to it's in capital letter. The letter I. To help your friends. Good. A, B, C, and D. Let's analyze. Well, letter A. It's help your friends to good in class. Well, the correct answer is letter C. It is, remember the structure, it is plus adjective, good, and the preposition to, and the verb to help your friends in class. Okay? The last question. Unscramble and find the correct order. I have to call about the party Anna to tell her A, B, C, and D. Let's analyze. I have to call about the party Anna to tell her. Letter B. I to call have about the party Anna to tell her. Letter C. I has to call Anna to tell her about the party. And letter D. I have to call Anna to tell her about the party. Notice that's even easier to pronounce. Letter D. That's the correct sentence. Okay, next. Let me check it out here. All right, your score. Remember, you had to write your answer on your notebook. So about the score, if you got 8 out of 8, it's excellent. If you got 7 out of 8, very good. If you got 6 out of 8, good. If you got 4 or even less out of 8, study more, watch this class again. Então é isso, pessoal. Chegamos ao fim da nossa aula. Não se esqueçam de acessar o Instagram do Cel, @cel.acre, o nosso Facebook oficial, CelNel, e também, extremamente importante, praticar o seu inglês. Então acesse a plataforma Eduque, www.eduque.ce.ac.gov.br. Lá você vai acessar uma série de atividades extras e, como eu disse, é fundamental estar praticando inglês. Enjoy your studies. Thank you very much.